Hey, this is Chuck Bonner from Bonner Massive Roofing. Today we're replacing a skylight on a flat roof. This old galvanized unit, that's called a Philadelphia skylight. They use them on bathrooms. As you can see over here, there's one that's not in as bad shape. It has a chicken wire glass. This one was completely cracked, almost fell through the house. You don't want that when you're walking around in your bathroom. So we're going to show you how we remove the old unit, and we're going to reflash the walls with the new modified bitumen, weld it to the existing roof surface, and put in a new insulated skylight with a bubble dome and an operating pole. Alright, we just laid out the modified bitumen around the curb. We're about to heat weld the material to the existing roof. Very important, you have a fire extinguisher, but we're also going to take another precaution. We're going to pull back the material and heat weld it, and then set it back in place so there's no fire around the wood frame. Alright, walls are welded. We're going to now seal around the top of the curb. That'll prevent any kind of snow drift that might get underneath the skylight. Also keeps the drafty air from getting underneath. We'll seal around it, and we'll seal around our patchwork, and we'll drop the skylight in. Alright, we're about to pop the skylight on. This is a Starlight skylight. It's an insulated unit. They make them to fit the Philadelphia curb. It has an operable attachment here, socket, so you can actually open it up with a stick without a chain. Actually, it opens up all the way and has a little hinge. So, like if you had to, you could climb out onto the roof. If you want to clear your drain, or there's a fire, or you have teenagers and they're driving you crazy, and you just need to relax. This is a good unit to climb out on the roof on. Alright, the patchwork's done. The repair is watertight. What we're going to do now is we're going to seal coat it into the existing roof. It will protect it from the sun, and it will also make it a seamless repair. All right, the job's just about done. Thanks for watching. We're Bonner Massive Roofing. Check us out at bonnerroof.com.